What's the story?
That's her time there now.
Top dead centre.
Tiny sea boy. Oh, that's no work for one night.
I should be meant when she's all cleaned up.
And you sucked finding. What do you want to test that part out?
No, you're alright. That's too much for YouTube. Jesus, wild mank inside.
Dirty bitch. Do you need to build?
Are you going putting an ATI on it or are you going bother?
No, I probably won't bother.
No.
I don't know, I'll see later on, but get a stretch belt that'll fit it, I won't bother.
Thick cable ties, that'll do.
Get a fucking wire. Tie it around.
Tying wire.
Tying wire, yeah.
Jordan wire.
Fucking silicone and everything in it, boy.
Richard Bradley be proud of you, Scan.
He might get a job building a jet. Stripping is one thing.
Pièce de résistance.
Oh, shit in here, stop.
It's like Mike's play finished.
Fuck, he thinks I was that engine running at all. Oh, well. Get ready to be talking over it.
Oh, she needs a cleaning in the world's worst way.
Oh, well.
C'est la vie.
Hey. Oh, that piston shit, man. So it's this one. Oh no, they're all that way. They're all that way, Scans, actually. So there. That's actually, it shouldn't be that way, but that's the way they are.
How long did you reckon it was? Would it be an hour?
An hour, yeah.
Oh, an hour, not bad going. Well, Volvo Mastertech and one lad that just cleans shit.
The next day.
Beep. Beep again.
Well, they said there'll be a lot of beeps before we're finished this
There'll be a lot of
evening,
beeps.
So,
Still fairly clean though.
not too bad. Getting that.
They're hardly Imperials.
Yeah.
I've
You have them.
half-inch Imperials over there.
They'll work if they want it. Jeez, that's tight.
Put my shoulder to it.
Put your boat to it. I don't think they were talking spec anyhow, because there's a few loose, a few tight. This engine's getting stronger.
You're after a good feed.
Pat Max. We'll fix response from Pat Mac.
And in the interest of consumer advice, we're in no affiliation with Supermax or Pat McDonough.
Papa John's. We would like to be. Yeah.
How's the crank club?
Sound. Ish. Should be fine. Not getting one of them.
Yeah.
For fuck's sake, Johnny, come on, what do you want?
Went for a bath.
Yeah. Bastard. Scooter.
One fully stripped bare block 1JZ. Oh, next now clean it all down. A nice lick of paint and all the fresh saucy bits. Yeah. I've never seen a man as happy to see ARP studs, top and bottom. You're delighted with life. Right, till the next time.